Hi, I'm Dr. Obi, a behavioral researcher, a technologist, and a tech educator. When people learn what I do, they often ask me how they can break into tech. Starting a new career in tech or switching from one where you've invested a lot of time and effort can be hard. It's even harder today because there's a lot of information on so many different careers in technology that make it confusing for anyone to decipher where to start, let alone a beginner. That's why in this video, in less than 5 minutes, I want to show you the three core technology roles that make up the vast majority of technology careers and roles. It not only simplifies the journey, giving you a high level awareness and understanding of the core roles that you can aspire towards, it also helps you to figure out where your core strengths and experiences might fit in. So let's get to it. There's a simple and a hard way to get to your destination of becoming a technologist. Now, using all my years of experience in technology and tech education, I've developed a simple way for aspiring technologists and career changers to understand their strengths and build expertise around a technology area. There are hundreds of different technology paths and technology courses. For the more experienced technologists, figuring out the path or the course can be confusing. And you can imagine what it will be like for someone who doesn't have experience in tech. I have distilled all these technology paths into three core paths, and I want to invite you to walk with me to make your entry or transition smoother and more focused. The first path is systems administration. Systems administration is a technology role that ensures an organization's computer and information systems are functioning and meet the needs of the organization. The field of systems administration includes administering, setting up, and maintaining computer networks, software, and systems. This area is constantly growing. It's a great career path that offers several chances for personal and professional development. A career as a systems administrator can lead to various job opportunities ranging from IT support technician, network administration, security administration, cloud administration, to database administration. With the increasing demand for technology in our daily lives, the need for skilled systems administrators will only continue to grow. As you can see, there are several different career paths and roles to explore just within this field. What I've learned about people who perform or who can perform well in this role is that they are multitaskers, they like tech trends, they are problem solvers, they are great troubleshooters, they hunt problems down, and they like to fix things. They are also straight shooters. On the other hand, they do not like puzzles or like anything that requires a lot of focused mind games. The second path is development. Software development is a process of creating, designing, testing, and maintaining software. Software development involves a series of phases that follow a workflow that is typically known as Software Development Lifecycle, SDLC. The goal of software development is to create software that's efficient, reliable, and easy to use. The development industry is one of the fastest growing industries. This can be attributed to the exponential growth in the demand for technology and automation. Software developers are a key part of all industries. They are responsible for creating software applications, whether on the web, on mobile devices, and they are several roles in software development. You find software engineers, web developers, mobile developers, game developers, embedded systems developers, and the list goes on. What I've learned about people who perform or who can perform well in this role is that they typically like puzzles, they solve problems, they tinker with things a lot. They like understanding how things work or don't work, and they like breaking things down into little pieces. The third part is people management. I coined this role as people management because it describes individuals who support others and create and manage the processes that help other people use resources to get things done. In essence, they manage processes, people, and resources. However, they're not managers in the typical way organizations describe middle managers. Instead, they are people who we call project managers, product managers, program managers, business analysts, and engineering managers, and so on. People managers are responsible for leading and guiding teams of technology professionals to create innovative solutions that can transform the way we live and the way we work. What I've learned about people who perform or who can perform in the people and process management area is that they are typically problem solvers. They like working with people. They also like planning. Ooh, they enjoy planning. They like talking, or shall we say communicating. Even though you may find yourself more inclined towards one area, be it systems admin, development, or people management, there are individuals who can do all of these roles. They can develop, they can administer, and they can manage people and processes. You might be saying that you can do them all. However, there's usually one area that is core to who you are. The goal is to identify it so that you don't spend your precious time and effort going around and trying each one for size. This is generally my take when I coach individuals in technology roles. Now, how do I know? Well, from experience. I know this because I was that person. I've worked in all of these roles. So where do you go from here? You can go back and watch from the beginning and learn more about each of those roles that I've just talked about, the core roles: systems admin, development, and people management. Then pick one that works for you and then drive down that lane and let me know if I can help. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching.